How to increase your immunity naturally? The immune system protects our body from infectious organisms. It is an integral part of our body's defense mechanism and is necessary for our survival. In the absence of an immune system, our body will be open to attacks from foreign bodies like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. The immune system is spread throughout our body and is made up of many tissues, cells, proteins, and organs that distinguish our body's tissues from foreign ones. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is rich in nutrients and exhibits antimicrobial properties. It can help your body get rid of toxins, boosting your immunity and protecting your body from infection. Add a tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar and honey to a cup of water, mix well and drink it daily. Lemon oil. Lemon essential oil has antioxidant properties that can help detoxify your body naturally. It can also help prevent diseases as it is rich in vitamin C that has immunity boosting properties. Add a drop of lemon oil to a glass of water, mix and consume daily. Do this once daily. Lavender oil. Stress is one of the root causes of weak immunity. Aromatherapy using the lavender oil can help alleviate stress and anxiety and help your body recover faster. Fill a diffuser with water. Add 3 drops of lavender oil to it. Inhale the diffused aroma. You must chew this 1 to 2 times daily. Ginger tea. Ginger contains ginger oil, an anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce the inflammatory reactions taking place inside your body. Ginger is also a natural antioxidant that can help detoxify your body and boost your immunity. Elderberry. Elderberry is popular for its immunity boosting properties due to the presence of compound like sambucol in it. It promotes immunity and prevents or slows down health complications. Take half to 1 tablespoon of elderberry syrup once daily.